At first, I.M. Product Launching 2.0 is an up-to-date video training course covering everything you need to know about launching products online. This is not your standard course, where a simple step-by-step guide will be provided. It contains over 4 hours of high-quality over-the-shoulder video training breaking apart everything from building your early bird page to launch their product, closing high-ticket sales, all the way to following up with affiliates after launch. You'll also have access to our cheat sheets, checklists, profit calculation formulas. In short, it includes 20 step-by-step training videos, 3 PDFs and 2 spreadsheet formulas. Who is I.M. Product Launching 2.0 for? Those who want to earn big. Intermediate and professional marketers who want to scale up their income. You are not living paycheck to paycheck, although it doesn't cost you a lot. People who are ready to take action. Sorry, it's not for those who have shiny object syndrome. There are 8 modules inside I.M. Product Launching 2.0. Now let's discover. A.MODULE 1. Setting up a sales funnel. Sales funnel is the first thing you must have when launching product. The method he teaches work with various bussiness, even physical product, but digital is the main. And he will mostly recommend Jvzoo as our marketplace to sell product. One of the feature of Jvzoo is one-click upsells, mean after people buy a product, instead of accessing the product instantly, they will see the upsells first. He shows you how to create auto downsell to fit the product. In fact, most successful vendors in Jvzoo are using this method. Membership pages is also important inside this module. B.MODULE 2. Setting up your Jvzoo page. The best traffic sources when you launch product online is to recruit affiliate. And before you do that, a Jvzoo page is highly important. I.M. Product Launching 2.0 is created by OptimizePress, and of course he shows you how to set up a Jvzoo page using OptimizePress. ClickFunnels and WP Profit Builder can be an alternative if you don't like op. Of course, ClickFunnels is the best choice cause it offers membership generator and you can create a better looking landing page. Inside the Jvzoo page you will have something like banner, email, Jvzoo tools and opt-in form, etc. C.MODULE 3. First product with no Jvzoo partner. The third module is actually the front step of the module 2. Normally, vendors will build an email list whose subscribers are their Jvzoo partner. Inside this module he teaches you how to drive people to the Jvzoo page and how to connect with them. Of course, it could be great if your partners are someone like Mark Thompson, Sam Backer, Mario Brown, Drive on McPerrick, Cindy Donovan. D.MODULE 4. Maxing out your promotion. It's just more advanced tactics he is using to find affiliate to promote his product. Normally I see him use Facebook ads to find affiliate, and personally, I know him through Facebook ads. It's like scaling and optimizing that affiliate marketers are using to maximize ROI. E.MODULE 5. Closing high-ticket sales. High-ticket products normally cost people a lot, and it's definitely not easy to create this type of product. But you will have a chance to earn 5 to 6 figures for a launch for this product. In order to work with this module, a webinar seems to be a great way to sell high-ticket product because you mostly target the right audiences. High-ticket product examples are Affiliate Jetpack, Inbox Blueprint, Amazon FBA Ninja, Amazon Bootcamp, etc. F.MODULE 6. Leverage profits. Relationship is one of the best way to profit for a long term, and that's exactly what Kevin wants you to do. In fact, most successful vendors build list, and whenever they launch product they message me through email. G.MODULE 7. Advanced Affiliate Attraction. This module is mostly for selling high-ticket products, and he spends 1 hour to teach you all in depth about that. Before you can recruit an affiliate, you will need to attract them first. So you will need traffic, a high-converting sales copy, and more importantly a great product. Moreover, if you want your product to be promoted by big vendors, some proofs are highly the key to do that. H.Module 8. Super Funnel Training. This is a 2-hour webinar training show you how to create a funnel that maximize profits. He also gives you minmap when you create your own funnel. Normally a good funnel will have 2 or 3 upsells, and then it offers an exit pop with downsell. Anyway, it highly depends on a product you want to create. On the other hand, he also teaches you how to write email to your affiliate and how to support them. And you will also learn about how to write a sales copy that convert and some copywriting skills.